Hey guys, what's going on? We're back with Chapter 3 Adventures. Last time, I got to make one of my specialty drinks from Disney, which was the smoked old fashioned. And now, I'm going to let Heather do it. So, Heather, take it away.
Okay, well, my drink is inspired from the Enchanted Rose that was at Grand Floridian. That was one of the lounges that I was most excited to go to.
Mm-hmm.
We landed, checked in, literally went there first. First thing we did was go to the Enchanted Rose. So we're big, or I'll say I am big. I don't know if you are or not, but I am a big Beauty and the Beast
Beauty
fan.
and the Beast.
Yeah. Our whole name,
Like the
chapter,
Beast.
yeah. Chapter 3 Adventures comes from Beauty and the Beast.
And the candle.
Lumiere.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the clock.
Cogsworth.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't know if that was a clock or not, but we're
And
gonna
they
go with it.
have, and Enchanted Rose has all of those touches in it. Very subtle on the shelves. It's not over the top Disney, but
Mhm.
you definitely see those Disney influences there.
Yeah.
Pretty.
It's pretty
isn't
cool.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
pretty.
beautiful.
It was nice.
So as soon as you walk into the lounge, you see a chandelier that's over the bar, and it's clearly a tribute to Belle's
Yes.
dress.
I thought you were thinking of a chandelier name, and I don't know any of those. So, okay.
No, I don't think there's a chandelier name in Beauty and the Beast. No.
No.
But Beauty's, Belle's dress, obviously, is that gold dress, yellow, flowy dress, and they do have a chandelier that's, it reminds you of that.
Yeah. It's
It's
gorgeous
amazing,
chandelier.
beautiful. And then all throughout the lounge, then it's this very beautiful blue, and they have green hues, and then just all these golden touches. So gorgeous lounge, love it. We went there once that first day that we landed.
We were only there
and
for maybe 15 minutes.
what did you have?
I had a beer. I don't remember the name of it.
It was something that was pomegranate, though.
Yeah.
And it was really good.
It's pretty good. A little sweet, but it's pretty good.
It was good. I had the sunrise margarita, and it was really good too. But we did go back one night, and what did you have that night?
2 old fashions and a Long Island iced tea.
Were they good?
Fantastic.
All right.
I think her name was Sheila. Sheila was the bartender. Fantastic.
They were very busy
Yeah,
that night.
they were.
It was a crazy night, and she was right on it.
Yep.
So the drink that I had was called a Lavender Fog, and I was very skeptical of whether I wanted to order it or not because it had lavender in it, and I don't usually like lavender. I actually just showed this to my father, and he said that it's like lavender, it smells like soap, and so that's usually my feelings too. But when I drink it, it was really good.
Didn't we use lavender on Beasley when she was a puppy to help her sleep?
We did on her paws.
Mhm.
And she would
She-
know that we
she
were
hated
going
it.
to do it, and she was going to bed. But yes, so very calming smell.
So if you have a dog, puppy, put lavender on their paws and the
Yeah.
toner they like, they'll go to sleep.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the Lavender Fog, which, if you're familiar with the London Fog, this is kind of a throwback to that, just with a little bit of a floral touch, and of course, you know, Beauty and the Beast.
Mhm.
They're all about floral. There's
This-
all these floral touches.
This is all her. I'm here just to
Yeah.
help and watch.
So we are really just winging this. There's no recipes I could find online. We did find the ingredient list, and so it does have silver gin, Rothman's creme de violet, which we couldn't find Rothman's, but we did find Dralod. Jalad? I don't know. Anyway,
Jalad sounds
this
good.
one was at our liquor store, so that's what we went with. Then also some English breakfast tea. Just went with simple private selection, and has vanilla and cream, and that's where I went with the Coffee Mate. Seems simple enough.
Yep.
All right, so we'll go ahead and jump into it. We're gonna start with a drink shaker, cocktail shaker.
Cocktail shaker, yes.
Cocktail shaker, and start with the creme de violet. And I have a full glass of ice with it because I think the thing that really set this apart to me, at least, was that it was so cold and so chilled. So full shot glass, And yes, it is a solo shot glass.
Solo shot glass.
Yes. Then we're gonna do
Sorry, you choke me there.
about a half shot of gin. Thank you.
That's what I'm here for. To assist you. I'm the assistant to the drink maker.
And then this is just some water with breakfast tea steeping in it. Also put just a little bit of sugar and some vanilla in it too. I'm just gonna do 2 teaspoons. And then the secret ingredient, coffee mates.
It's not a secret if you tell them.
It's true. And I'm pretty sure Disney does not use coffee mate, but
They probably use it.
we do. So full shot. Okay, then we get ready to shake.
There you go.
Okay, and then I have a chilled martini glass that's been in the freezer all day. Just a little bit of mess there.
You have to hold on to the top and mic them off.
Good point. And then, we throw just a little sprig of lavender in with it, just like they did at Enchanted Rose. Okay, and so then all that's left to do is drink, and you can see here, it's just got,
It's got a little purple.
light purple color to it.
It's good.
Yeah. I feel like it's pretty close to Disney's. Now, of course, Disney is always going to be better.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, no doubt.
if you can't have Disney at home, you got a Lavender Fog at home.
There you go.
All right, guys. That's it. That's
Appreciate
it
it
for now.
Appreciate it.
Bye.